Hi guys, it's me Malika and welcome back to my channel. So it's the crazy morning and it's a craziest day today. Well, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can do facial at home in just less than 45 minutes, which is not only easy, quick and instant facial at home, but also very much affordable. So this is a glowing glow facial kit by Nature's Essence. So there are just 4 steps for this facial and you get the glowing skin. All thanks to the Nature's Essence that they have added the Detan pack 2 in this kit. So there will be the 5 steps for this facial, which will be quick, easy and affordable. And also by this, your face is in safe hands. So I've got my facial kit and every step is ready before I have to say let's get started. So what are you waiting for? Christmas? Let's get started.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were both.
Okay guys, I have to tell you that wear a t-shirt, the basic ones. If it gets messy, you can bear it.
Just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend.
Also wet your fingers side by side and then massage it on your face. Just handle it with care. It's your skin guys. Love it.
I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on them. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were both to just fly away. I don't wanna care. Just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend.
Just look at the glow guys. This is the after effect of these just 4 steps facial kit and you're all done and sorted. So this is the glowing glow gold facial kit by Nature's Essence. And not only this guys, there are 5 more variants.
There on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were both to just fly away.
So these quick and affordable facial kits are from Nature's Essence, which you can get one for yourself from Amazon, Nika and Purple. With this facial kits, you will be getting a Detan therapy pack also included in the same packaging. So what are you waiting for guys? Grab your now and get this glowing gold facial at home in your safe hands. Also you get this fabulous facial kit for just rupees 260. And the best part is you can use this kit up to 3 times. So one gold facial you're getting done for only 80 bucks. What else you guys need, yeah? So happy after using this facial kit. I'm just loving it. And that's it for today's video guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this facial, gold facial with me. And I'll see you in my next with more fun and more videos. Till then, toodles. Bye.